The death of a friend in Vermont, my dad got diagnosed with cancer, my daughter, we thought we were gonna lose her, and then just moving in general and being in a new space. And now we're starting from scratch. I filled up my whiteboard and God gave me this vision of a lamb, and I thought this lamb was like, oh, go after the one. I'm supposed to do one-on-one teachings and supposed to, do personal training, but then he directed me to the scripture of John the Baptist baptizing Jesus and pointing to him saying, that is the Lamb, the one who takes away the sins of the world. He is the Redeemer of our lives. This simple call to just point to Jesus and to step back in. He took this board that was empty and barren and sad, and he filled it up again. My name's Bree Joy, and I'm a Revelation Wellness Instructor. So Revelation Wellness Instructor training changed my heart towards fitness and towards people, because I was going into it thinking about what I can bring, how well I can perform, and what I can build. But Rev changed my heart in the way of be a part of what God is doing and the call that He's put on my life to bring this freedom living into other people's lives. I have been trained through Rev to start to see the world and to see fitness and to see myself through the lens of Jesus and how He sees us and the compassion He has for us and the way that He wants to take the things that keep us trapped and held back and anxious and push us out and to be free as free kids. Today we're in Connecticut, Fairfield County, and we moved here 2 years ago. I'm teaching 3 different types of classes. One is seasonal, so I do Rev Fit classes, which is more of choreography. That one is a suggested donation.
I'm so grateful that Bree was equipped by Revelation Wellness. Bree really shows that through fitness, you can love God, you can take care of yourself, you can be a light to others.
And then I also do volunteer teaching at Bridgeport Rescue Mission.
The women are just so, they embrace the presence of the Lord, they embrace how you minister to them, and I believe it is a critical part of their healing while they're here at Bridgeport Rescue Mission.
And the third type of class I do, it's my small group strength training class right here in my garage. I charge this $30 a class, and I have them pay ahead of time, and that's a way that I can support my family. God has placed us in this place as instructors, as people in our community. We have a gift through Him to bring, and there is worth, there is value. So this discussion around making an income as an instructor, be free to. Don't hold back, and don't fear what people might think or say if it's too much or it's too little. Rev has been foundational for me and building the support system, because I have this community online, these people of other instructors around the world that I can keep in touch with. We're praying for each other, we're there for each other. I went through training to get free, stay free, and set others free. Become a Revelation Wellness Instructor. Download a packet today.